Hello everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today we are going to learn about a new Excel function called Translate. This function helps us translate text from one language to another language directly inside Excel. For example, we can translate English text into Sinhala language easily. What is Translate function? The Translate function is a new feature in Microsoft Excel. It uses Microsoft Translator technology. This function is very useful for students, teachers, office workers, and people who work with different languages. You do not need any external software. Excel will translate the text for you. How did you use for the example exalt? Syntax of translate function. Now we go to SPIC to translate in this function. You're making retrogressed incredible text within the language directly. Now let us look at the syntax. The formula is equals translate open parenthesis text, comma, open bracket source language, close bracket, comma, open bracket target language, close bracket, close parenthesis. Let me explain this simply. Text, the text you want to translate. Source language, the original language code. Target language, the language you want to translate to. For English, the language code is EN. For Sinhala, the language code is SI. Example, English to Sinhala. Now let us see a real example. In cell A2, I type, "Good morning." Now in cell B2, I type this formula, equals translate A2, EN, SI. Then press enter. Excel will automatically translate the text into Sinhala. You can copy this formula down to translate many sentences at the same time. This saves a lot of time and effort. Limitations of translate function. However, there are some limitations you should know. 1. It needs an internet connection. 2. Translation may not be 100% accurate for grammar. 3. It is not available in older Excel versions. 4. Technical or cultural words may not translate correctly. 5. You cannot translate images or scanned text, so always check the translated text before using it officially. Conclusion. To conclude, the translate function is a very useful new Excel feature. It helps translate text like English to Sinhala quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next Excel lesson.